Hello everyone, I am Sachin Haridas Rohane, Assistant Professor, Yashoda Technical Campus, Faculty of Pharmacy, Satara. Today we are focusing on structure-activity relationship of morphine and derivative. This is the general structure of morphine, which contain 5 rings. Ring A is benzene, ring B is cyclohexene, ring C is also cyclohexene, ring D is piperidine, and ring E is furan. Now let's see the SAR. Ring A substitution. This is the general structure of morphine. We are focusing on C3 hydroxy group. Removal of C3 hydroxy group, we get a compound called as 3-deoxymorphine. This compound having 10 times less activity compared to morphine. Again, when we replace this C3 hydroxyl group by etherification, we get a compound called as codeine. This codeine having very less analgesic activity when we compare with morphine. Again, when we replace this C3 hydroxyl group and C6 hydroxyl group by esterification, we get a compound called as a diethyl morphine, which is also called as heroin. This compound is more potent and having more lipophilicity compared to morphine. So all this modification confirm the importance of hydroxyl group at C3 position. So we can say that C3 hydroxyl group is essential for analgesic activity. Now let's see ring C substitution. In morphine, ring C, again we are focusing on the hydroxyl group at C6 position. When we remove this hydroxyl group, we will get a compound called as 6-deoxymorphine. This compound is having 10 times more activity compared to morphine. Again, when we replace this C6 hydroxyl group by etherification, we will get a compound called as 6-methoxymorphine. It is 5 times more potent compared to morphine. And again, when we replace this hydroxyl group by esterification, we will get a compound called as 6-methyl-acetylmorphine. Again, this compound having 5 times more potent compared to morphine. When we replace this double bond between carbon C7 and 8, we will get a compound called as dihydromorphine. Again, this double bond is not essential for the activity. It means that it will not affect the analgesic activity. Then again, when we replace this 6-hydroxyl group by oxidation process, we will get a compound called as hydromorphone. And this hydromorphone also having 5 times more potency compared to morphine. So by considering all this example regarding modification of C6 hydroxyl group, everything is in favor of modification. As on modification, derivative shows better effect and potency. So we can say that C6 hydroxyl group modification is essential for analgesic activity. Now let's see N-methyl substitution. Removal of this methyl group from nitrogen, we will get a compound called as a normorphine, and this normorphine has 8 times less analgesic activity compared to morphine. Again, replacement of this methyl from nitrogen by propyl group, we will get a compound having opiate receptor antagonist activity. So here we can say that N-methyl group is essential for analgesic activity. So here in this way, we have summarized the structure activity relationship of morphine derivative. Thank you for watching.